I want to welcome you all specially to this week's weekly analysis. So quickly, I just want to show you what I'm seeing in the market. I'm going to start first of all with DXY. If you look closely to DXY, you'll find that DXY has been constantly bearish, at least for some time now, and is currently retracing from this level, but has some liquidities on the upside. So from my perspective, DXY is going to go bullish, okay, haven't broken structure at this point and change character. It will have to fill up this void up to this liquidity side before it's probably range and decide for a new directional bias. And with regards to that, it means simply that EU and GU will be going bearish at the opening of the market, just as it opens. Okay, so GU would go bearish at least for some time, but don't go bearish on GU or except you find a confirmation, of which I think there's a confirmation here because there is a break of structure and change of character. So GU should go bearish at least up to this level, and EU respectively. And this is EU already posing to go bearish already, and I see EU going massively bearish at least up to this point. Okay, so good entry for EU, good entry for GU. And then quickly let's look at gold, so I can show you what gold is showing us right now on the chart. So this is gold, and gold has been, let's go to 4-hour time frame so we can catch the trend. So gold has not really given any trend per se, because this was the uptrend previously before it broke out, creating new trend on the downside. Okay, and now currently is retracing, so we can still call this a downtrend. Haven't seen that this high was failed, to take out the previous high, and so we could just say that gold is in the ranging side. Okay, so and whenever the market is ranging like this, it's usually better for you to swing trade instead of catching the trend. Okay, so how do we trade gold in this week? Okay, so having known that the trend is not very clear, but if you look on this part, you could call this a downtrend, because if you look closely, you see that it took out this and gave a break of structure here, and this is already a fade high. So gold intentionally has come into a point of interest. It will definitely go bearish. So for me, I would advise you to find bearish move on gold. So but you must get a confirmation first, because like as you can see right now, it's on a liquidity side, so it will need to take out this liquidity, of which it may go a little bit bullish. But I will not advise you to go bullish. Wait for it to take out this liquidity, find the bearish move at least up to this point, having known that the liquidity is on the bearish side. So quickly, I'm just going to show you other things. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. No directional bias yet until price is on the either bearish or bullish liquidity side. And then we have Ethereum, same thing. So for Ethereum, I think it can go bearish at least up to this point before we begin to look for the clear directional bias. And then we have so we're going to go up to the 2-hour time frame so we can take the other rest of the forex that we trade with trend line liquidity. So let us start with EJ. Alright, so this is EJ. It has broken out from the previous downtrend, currently forming a new uptrend. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, there is a void on this part. So I think EJ may need to come test this void before continue going bullish, But let's just put our eyes on it and see what it does at the opening of the market Monday. Then let's look at UJ. So this is UJ, still on a downtrend. So I think progress structure, I think we can get downtrend move for UJ. Let's go to GJ. So this is GJ. So it looks like it's beginning to form a new uptrend, but let's confirm that. Okay, so this is a okay, I think this is a good buy, but let this be the take profit. This should be the take profit. It's just supposed to be from around here. So the take profit should just be on the next liquidity side, while the stop loss should be just around here. So that's what I'm seeing on GJ. Then and that's all on the JPYs. Then let's look at the other ones that we are swinging. So we have AU. AU is currently moving after inducing us. Okay, and then we have so wait for it to complete before we look for the next directional bias. We have UC. So UC did the same, took us out, so I'll wait for it to complete before I look for the next directional bias. Then we have UC, that's a CHF. So I've drawn the liquidity lines. I'm going to be waiting for the entry at the opening of the market, but that looks very small. So if I don't take it from the 5 minutes time frame, I will not take from 15 minutes. Even the 5 minutes time frame is still a little bit small. So I think for that particular CHF, that's USD CHF, we may need to wait for Tuesday to get clear directional bias, as there's no much. Even this one, this CHF JPY, we need to wait for Tuesday to get clear directional bias. And in rounding up stocks, CFDs and commodities, so we have Tesla. So Tesla played out as we predicted. Yeah, it played out very well. It's on a downtrend, and I think that's an entry for the downtrend move. And let's see the take profit. Okay, so alright, so that's an entry for Tesla. So it depends on anyone who is currently available to trade Tesla. If you are available to trade Tesla, then you can go bearish on Tesla, and your take profit should be just on this point. So you are going short on Tesla if you are trading it. So that's the entry I'm seeing on Tesla. Okay, so let me just quickly post it on the VIP group, because that's a VIP signal. Okay, so we have Tesla. Okay, so let me post the other one. We have GBP JPY. Okay, it's GBP JPY. Okay, so those are the two entries that we have spotted so far. So let's look at US30. So US30 is still on a downtrend. I think this is a good entry. Let's look very well. That may be a good entry for US30, as it can just because it broke structure here, change character here. So I think US30 should just this should be your stop loss. You're going to trade that, and your take profit should just be here on the previous low. Okay, this is what I'm seeing on US30. So let's see how that plays out. So that's a VIP signal. So let me post it on the VIP group. Okay, so that's it. And then we have let's go straight to US 100. So we have US 100. So I think we're seeing the same kind of entry for US 100. But we might not go in all immediately. I think we need to wait. Well, let me see NASDAQ. Okay. So for NASDAQ and US 100, this should be the entry. Should be, I think it should induce more. Should be somewhere around there. And then the take profit, the stop loss should be on this high, and the take profit should be on this low. This is for NASDAQ, and it should be the same thing with US 100. Right? NDX. So it should be the same thing for US 100. So it should come up to this POI. Okay, and then the stop loss should be on this lower high, and your take profit should be on this lower low. And then that's it for US 100. US 100. I think that concludes the analysis for crypto, stocks, CFDs, commodities, Forex. So let's go straight to synthetics. Okay, so we're going to start from the top. Let's start from volatility 25. Okay, so we're going to look for the directional bias. It looks like it's on a downtrend. Once we get a confirmation, I'm going to let you know what to do with volatility 25. But I'm seeing closed liquidity, so I wouldn't want to go in yet. Okay, so this looks like a buy. So volatility 50 looks like a buy, but we're going to get confirmation first, just like the volatility 25. Once we get a confirmation, I'm going to let you know what we're doing. So we have volatility 75. So eyes are going to be on the charts until when we get a confirmation. So volatility 75. Okay, also looks like a buy. So but let's get a full confirmation. Once there's a full confirmation, stay active on the VIP group, as I'll be posting updates there. So this volatility 100 is declining, so we're going to wait for that declination to at least get to a reasonable extent before we decide. So for the boom 500, which I told you during the review about the buy, I didn't see this liquidity and I didn't see this one. If I saw these two liquidities, I wouldn't want to buy boom 500. So just in case you're not holding strong like me, I'm not holding strong again, I think you should find exit on boom 500. We're going to reanalyze it again because those liquidities were not spotted when I was doing the weekly review. I went to do my analysis and saw that, and I decided I was going to update you during the weekly analysis. And this is crash 500, so I'm just going to wait to get a full confirmation of crash. There's no directional bias on crash. And then we have jump 25. Jump 25, it's been constantly bearish. Okay, we're just going to wait to get a confirmation. We have jump 50. So it's going bullish. Okay, just going to get a POI somewhere around here. We'll let it finish creating the POI, but you're going to get a bullish move on jump 50. Get ready, stay at alert on the VIP group. Jump 75 looks like we're going to get a bullish move as well, but a lot of bearish liquidity. So but let's just put our eyes on the charts. And jump 100, no clear directional bias. So all of these would make a complete weekly analysis for us as we get ready to win in this new week. Okay, so are you ready to win? Are you reading? Are you studying? Are you back testing? Are your eyes on the charts? Are you preparing for a glorious week, a week where you're going to make so much money? Is that what you're preparing for? If that's what you're preparing for, then get ready to be successful, because preparation will always meet opportunities and it will give you success. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button. Don't forget that I will be live Monday 1 p.m. GMT +1.